Hi there, this is Billy for Ask a Mechanic, and the question of the day is, help, my headlights are starting to fog up. How do I fix that? There's an old mechanics hack that says you can use toothpaste on your headlights to get them to take the dimness away. And actually, I'm gonna try it because I'm curious to see if it works. So let's do it. I'm gonna put some toothpaste here. And you're supposed to rub it into the plastic. So once you've rubbed it in, you take another microfiber cloth and you're supposed to wipe it off. That dries pretty quickly, huh? Here's my hose, here's some water, and let's wipe this off. So, you know what? It doesn't work all that well. So toothpaste, busted, does not work. I wouldn't use it on my car. What's our other option? Products designed to clean headlights. I picked this up at a local automotive store, auto parts store. And inside you have obviously the instructions, which you know we don't read because that's what we do. Microfiber towelettes to wipe with. And of course, you have one product to clean and the other product to protect. So there's definitely a difference once you use the proper cleaning products. Now, of course, this is not a new car, but it is definitely much cleaner than it was before, and it will definitely help me see better at night. And if we compare this headlight to the other side, I'm sure you will see the difference.